So now let's see how we can work around with high pass, maximum and minimum filters inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So over here you can see that I have an image opened up, and if I were to go around onto the filters menu right here, then here you can see that others is an option, and here you have an option such as high pass, maximum and minimum right here. So if I were to go around onto high pass right here, then you can see that I can actually go around and then select out the high portions right here. You can go around, increase and decrease out the amount of high pass, and it affects out and brings out the edges right here, just like this. So if you were to decrease this, then you can see that it brings out the details right here, that is the edges of this particular picture. You can increase this in size or decrease this in size according to how you want, and then it changes the high pass right here and tries to balance out the picture. So when there's no effect applied, this is what you have. And if I were to bring the high pass down, then it darkens out the brighter part of the image right here, while it brightens out the darker part of the images right here and makes it more balanced so that you can get more detail out of this. So you find the sweet spot according to how you want and press OK, and this is what you have. So if I were to go around onto the filter menu right here and go to others, then you can see that you can also work around with the maximum right here. So if I were to go around right here, you can really increase out the like brightness, as you can see right here, and as if you're viewing through a square lens, and that is the effect that you get right here, just like this when you're actually applying this. Let me just press cancel right here and go around with the minimum right here. So once I do that, you can see that it actually goes around and focuses out on the darker part, and then you get these square pixels out of it. So you can get more like artistic effect out of this, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can work around with high pass, maximum and minimum filters inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.